This shoe's most striking element is the vivid pink Fireberry hue that is applied in layers like a gradient throughout the upper. Each panel uses a different texture of pink, and the depth of the color is emphasized by the three-dimensional suede and mesh texture. Its color is consistent across the heel, tongue, and lining, making it stand out in the city. The black outsole and midsole effectively bring the color closer together, resulting in a composition that is well balanced. Attention to detail is evident in the soft pink accent on the midsole, which houses the recognizable visible Air unit. Even though the Air Max emblem is the same color, it is quite noticeable because it is positioned three-dimensionally on the tongue. The Air Max 95 OG has been a trailblazing model that blends design and utility on the street since its debut. Its fast line composition and inventive split panels still draw a lot of sneakerheads today.